Akali Dal Chief Sukhbir Badal, Lok Sabha MP Harsimrat Kaur Badal and a dozen other party leaders of the Shiromani Akali Dal were detained today afternoon amid calls for a Black Friday march to mark 1 year of the nationwide protests against the centre's farm laws. Earlier in the day, angry farmers, Akali Dal workers and other protesters had massed at Delhi borders where the police had put up barricades and closed specific roads, also to metro stations to stop them from entering the city, and this march was taken out, though the police then blocked the path of this march and the leaders were then detained. Harsimrat Badal, who resigned as minister in the union cabinet over the farm laws issue, tweeted saying she strongly condemned the Delhi police for stopping protesters from entering the city.
पूरी रात नाके लाके साडे वर्करां ਨੂੰ रोकिया, लाठी चार्ज कीते, साडियां गड्डियां तोड़ियां, पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट ਨੂੰ रोकन करके ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਲਿੱਤੀ ਪੀਸਫੁਲ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਲੋਕ ਆਏ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੀਸਫੁਲ ਹੈ, ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਮਨ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। पूरा पंजाब नहीं, पूरा देश मोदी सरकार के खिलाफ होया बैठा है।
I was joined by Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who is in Delhi, along with Sukhbir Badal and several other leaders and workers of Shiromani Akali Dal. They were here to protest, but they're alleging that they've been stopped by Delhi police. Ma'am, you are saying that your workers were not allowed to come inside Delhi.
Please look at the entire Akali Dal Facebook. From the time of yesterday at 8 o'clock onwards, 8 p.m. onwards, throughout the night, people who had travelled for 400 kilometers all the way from Amritsar till here, women, youngsters, they were all stopped in all the borders. In fact, some of them, their window shields were also broken, the cars were attacked, people were pulled out from their hotel rooms and told to go back. If you have a Punjab number plate, get out. I mean, it reminded me of the emergency days where people from one state cannot go. First they did that with the farmers, and we clearly said that this is going to be a peaceful protest, which is our democratic right. It's 1 year since these black laws, draconian laws, were thrust upon the people without the will of the farmers. We have protested by giving in the resignation, breaking our alliance, and we will continue to protest and show our solidarity with the farmers. That was our right.
Ma'am, Delhi police saying you did not get the permission. You came here without the permission. That's what they are saying. That's their version.
Excuse me, we were all coming to assemble in a Gurdwara. Who needs permission to go there? Which law says that people from one corner of the state cannot go visit the holy shrine of another state? What are they talking about? This is sheer dictatorship which is going on, and if they think that they can crush the spirit of the farmers or crush an agitation or crush the Shiromani Akali Dal, they are sadly mistaken. I would like to tell Mr. Kejriwal, who gave out orders, written orders, that we cannot congregate into a Gurdwara. I would like to tell this high command central government over here, or Mr. Khattar, CM Haryana, that they can use all the brute force at their disposal. This is a community that gave the maximum sacrifices to free our India, and we will continue to give all the sacrifices required till our Kisans are given what is their due right of these laws being repealed.